how to fix photos not showing up in messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today we're tackling a common issue, that is photos not showing up in your iMessage. So, first things first, let's check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak connection can cause photos to not load. So, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access your settings. Now, try enabling your airplane mode and then turn it off again after a few seconds. Now, if that doesn't work, the issue might be on the sender's end. Make sure they have a stable internet connection as well. And to check if you have a stable internet connection or not, you can go to your Google Chrome and then type in fast.com and check your internet speed. So, the iMessage not loading might be because your internet speed is really low and you can't help it. So, for that, what you can do is share the photos from AirDrop or share the photos from other apps like WhatsApp or email. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.